Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to
Good
all of
morning, ma'am.
you. Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Dhwani was asking and Pritika was asking about the cube and cuboid. How many faces, how many edges. Edges and sides are same. Vertex or vertices. Plural of vertex is what? What is the plural of vertex?
Vortex. What is it?
Vertices.
What is this?
Okay. And
This.
edges. What is the other name of edges?
Edges.
What is the other name of
Vertical.
edges? No.
Corner.
Sides.
Corner. Sides. Sides.
What is the other name of edges?
Sides.
Side.
Man,
What?
side.
Yes. And cube has, what is the shape of a face of a cube? What is the shape?
Cuboid. Cuboid. Square.
No.
Square.
I am asking cube.
Square.
Cube has, what is the face of a cube? Face of a cube.
It is a square.
Yes. Each face of a cube is a square. जो क्यूब है वो स्क्वायर से ही बनता है. जब आप क्यूब का कोई ऑब्जेक्ट लेंगे, यू हैव क्यूब राइट नाउ जिग्नेश विद यू, दैट क्यूब, द थ्री क्यूब विच यू प्ले.
Yes, ma'am. I'm coming. I'll get it.
Yeah, bring it fast. And anyone has the cuboid shape box near to you?
Cuboid.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have charger.
Yes. Now see, what is the each face of cuboid? In which shape? In which shape the each face of a cuboid? I am asking. Just observe.
Two square and two rectangle.
No. Cuboid has all the six faces rectangular. आज छोटे बड़े होंगे rectangle होंगे, but right?
Yes.
Now Jignesh is showing us the cube. You all can pin. Now Jignesh, when you see the each face of a cube is in which shape?
Square.
Square. Cube only possible to make from the square. Am I clear with you all? Don't get confused. Yes, this dice also is in cuboid shape, cube shape, and each face of this cube is square. Each face of cube is, always remember, each face
Square.
Yes, always remember each face of cube is square. Now, you observe any cuboid shape, any box near to you, and please take. Yes, Pritika is showing. Now, Pritika, observe this. Each face of a cuboid is which face? What is the shape of each face of a cuboid?
It is
Which shape है?
It is rectangle.
Rectangle. चाहे छोटा होगा, बड़ा होगा. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, yeah. जो क्यूबॉइड है, क्यूबॉइड का ईच फेस इज इन द रेक्टेंगुलर शेप. चाहे आपको छोटा दिखेगा, साइड वाले फेसेस आपको छोटे दिखेंगे, बट दैट टू ऑल्सो इन द शेप ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. गॉट इट? Explore this, take some objects, always remember each face of rectangle is, each face of cuboid is rectangle. Each face of cuboid is rectangle. Each face of cube is a square.
Ma'am, this you have to write.
No, when I will tell you what to write, what not to write. Please pay attention here. This is clear?
Ma'am, you made rhyming words.
Now, yes. Here you facing some network issues, so I cannot. Children, you able to see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Here,
you facing
yes,
some
ma'am.
network issue, my dear. Log out and log in again. So,
Ma'am,
children, yes,
we have to continue from tomorrow's page or new page.
not tomorrow, yesterday. It is called yesterday. Tomorrow is the coming day. Yesterday is already gone. Yesterday.
Yesterday's page.
Yes, same page. Just write the date near down in one corner. Write the today's date and start from that page only. Yesterday we have done when the cost of many article is given and we have to find the cost of one article. We divide this. This you all have done written in your notebooks. Yes. Don't play Jignesh now.
Yes, ma'am.
And we have done when the cost of many article is given and we have to find the cost of one article, we divide. Now on the basis of this, write one question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, yesterday page only we have to write.
Same page. Write the cost of five bricks, because we are learning about the bricks, so we will discuss about bricks. The cost of 5 bricks is rupees 150. What is the cost of
Ma'am,
one book? Yes.
by mistake I have written spelling of 5. Is it okay?
No. Cut it and write in numbers.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I can't see your board.
Wait a minute, Arav. I will clear it out. Now check, Arav. Arav, you do one thing. You pin on my board screen.
Ma'am, it is visible clearly.
Now, Arav. Yes, Dean.
This page you have to write.
Same
No,
page, yesterday's page, same.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written in this only.
Yes, please, everyone start writing from the same page from yesterday's page. Now, no one will ask, do we have to write? You all are 21 students. If I give the answer same to all the students, then over 21 minutes will pass in this only.
Ma'am, there are only 20 children.
One child, yes, including me, there are 20 students. So the cost of,
Done, ma'am.
now check. The cost of 5 bricks is rupees 150. What is the cost of one brick? Sorry. BRICK. So many का given है. The cost of 5 bricks amount is 150. ये जो cost है 150 जो cost है वो 5 bricks की है. And you need to find out the cost of one brick. So what you will do in this case? Which operation you will follow? Riddhi will tell us.
Your board.
Arav, you not able to see still?
No, ma'am.
So you log out and log in again. Astha, you able to see?
Ma'am, multiply.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Division.
We will divide.
We will divide because we need to find out the cost of one. Okay. So what you will do in this, you will write the statement answer 1 cost of cost of 5 bricks. Your first statement should be what is given to you. The first line will be your first statement, but you can write it in your own words also. The cost of 5 bricks equals to rupees 150, which is given to you. And So, cost of
Ma'am,
one brick, yes.
Nav also can't see your board.
Why are you facing this difficulty? I don't know today. You please call your someone near to your parent. They will help you.
Yes, ma'am.
So the cost is any other child except Ara facing any difficulty to looking at the board? Or is children tell me yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
No
ma'am,
one
it
is
is
facing
clear.
any.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
It's clear.
Okay. Please continue. Cost of 5 bricks equals to 150. So cost of 1 brick equals to rupees 150 divided by 5 equals to, when you divide this, you will get the cost
30.
of one book.
30.
30. So you can write therefore or thus the cost of one brick equals to rupees 30. Or you can write thus, 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 comma, the cost. Please mute your mic. Someone mic is on. Jignesh, mute your mic, please. Thus, the cost of one brick is rupees 30. Children, I know directly that, so I have written the answer directly. You need to divide this in the rough column. Right hand side, make one. Arav, now you able to see?
No, ma'am.
Please try, my dear. Right hand side, make one rough column and divide there. Do the proper division like this, the way you do division. 150 and you will write 5 here and do the proper division.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In the right hand side, I don't have any space. So can I write
Down
in the
also.
note?
You can write after this solution also you can do the.
Can I write at the
No, write down only.
camera
They
is
will-
off?
Who is saying this?
No,
Dheer, my camera is off.
It's on.
Now it's on.
Okay. Do it fast. Do it fast, children. Mute your mic, please. Here, mute your mic. Arav, now you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The cost of 5 bricks is given, which is 150. Unitary method says when you have the cost of many things, you need to find out for the one. You always divide to find for the one. Start copying fast, then I need to do more sums.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done?
Done, ma'am. Done,
Can I raise the question?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Fast.
Done.
Can I raise the question only? I'm going to erase this now.
Ma'am, I have not done.
Who is? I'm only erasing the question. You have not written the question also, Vedi?
I have written the question.
Write the answer now.
Ma'am, I was writing the question.
Be a little fast. Can someone write the question in the chat box for them? If you have completed, please write the question in the chat box so that they can copy.
Question.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm right.
Now, can I go to the next one? This was the situation when the cost of many is given and you need to find out the cost of one. इस सिचुएशन में क्या था? आपको many का प्राइस गिवन था, आपको one का निकालना था, so you divided. Now, next situation is when this put a star mark. जब आपने एक situation yesterday learn करी थी, this is the next situation, put a star mark. Now write when the cost of, my board is visible till up?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, your code is very low.
My dear,
Ma'am,
because of
yes,
network, 1 or 2 seconds it will come like this. After that, it will be okay.
Ma'am, what is the last line?
What is the?
What is the last line?
Thus, the cost of one brick is rupees 30.
Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
When the cost of you have written is the second question or first question?
This is the statement. Like yesterday, we have done one statement, na?
Yes.
This is the statement. That's why I'm telling this is not a question. So this is one statement which you need to know. Put a star mark.
And we have to write it.
Yes, yes. When the cost of one article is given, and you have to find the cost of many articles you multiply.
Ma'am, I can't see your full board.
Wait a minute, I will adjust it. So this is the answer 1 and this is the statement. Now check.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see statement.
Clear board is visible. This is visible, Shivani, to you?
The full board is visible.
Yes.
No, ma'am. I log out and log in.
After this, we will do one more question on the basis of this.
अम्मा ये क्लाउड्स किसके लिए कट कर रहे हो?
Vedi, mute your mic, please. Children, let me take the attendance. Pragyan has joined now. Please, I request to the students join on time. I'm going to erase the answer number 1 now. See, suppose children, when you go to market to buy pencil, and one pencil cost is rupees 10. One pen, listen carefully, I can ask from anyone. You went to market to buy pencil, cost of one pencil is rupees 10. What is, find the, this you don't need to write, just I am explaining. When I will write question, I will tell you to write. This is just explanation, not to write. Pencil cost rupees, one pencil cost rupees 10. Find the cost of 62 pencils. When one pencil cost, you know, you need to find out 62 pencil cost. So what you will do? Which operation you will do?
Ma'am, multiplication.
Yes. You have a cost of one item. You need to find out the cost of many items.
We will do multiplication.
We will do multiplication.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, answer is 620.
Very good. Because he had just multiplied, mute your mic. He just multiplied 62 with the 1, 62 ones are 62, and he added 0. You did it in this way, right? Mental math?
Ma'am, yes, I did that, but I did that 10 60s are 600 and 10 20s are
Yes.
620.
Yes, very good. This is the mental maths. So now question is, the cost of one brick is rupees 120. Find the cost of 1000 bricks.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the upper part we didn't have to write.
you have to write this one. Please write it fast.
I have written it.
Yes, this is the statement. The two statement. Yesterday, one statement also we have done. No, this is the second statement, which you should know that when the cost of one article is given, what we have to do? We have to find the cost of, if many, you have to multiply. So the situation is, the cost of one brick is given rupees 120. Find the cost of 1000 bricks. Please do it by yourself with the statement in your notebooks. I am not going to explain you. You have to write the answer of this and write the with the statement in the chat box also after finishing in the notebook. I am not going to do the answer of this. You, with the statement, write it fast in your notebooks by yourself. And write with the statement in the chat box also, so that I can know that how much you understood. Are you all doing? I will not give you more than 2-3 minutes. Fast. What are you doing, Mohammed? Moin, Kuledi, you're not writing.
It's 100 bricks.
1000 bricks. The cost of one brick is rupees 120. Find the cost of 1000 bricks.
Okay.
And please tell me the answer in the chat box also. What is your answer after, and what you will do? Which operation you will do in this? Jignesh, what you will do in this?
Multiplication.
Okay, this girl will tell me. Lakshya Dhola. Lakshya, why we will do multiplication in this?
Ma'am, because is
Because the cost of 1 is given to you, and when you go to market, you want to buy 1000 bricks. So what you will do to find out the answer? Lakshya, pay attention here, right? When I'm explaining, you should be answerable. Arth Gujarati. Arth, what you will do in this?
multiplication.
Why you will do multiplication? Why you will do multiplication, Arth?
Ma'am, see my answer.
Yeah, yes, I am watching it. Arav Apani, you have put instead of comma, you put the slash.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, answer will come like this. Now the cost of one brick is
Yes.
rupees 120. Then what is cost of 1000 bricks?
What never comes in the solution. Then you will write the cost of 1000 bricks is 1000 multiplied by 120. What never comes or find never comes in the answers. First line is the cost of one brick. First statement is the cost of one brick is rupees 120. Then leave this find. The cost of 1000 bricks is 120 multiplied by 1000. And final you will write the cost of 1000 bricks is rupees this much.
Ma'am, this we have to send you, no?
Your answer is wrong. Yes,
ma'am, this we
send
have
me
to
class.
send you.
Yes. Okay. I am asking, Riddhi will tell me. Riddhi, why we are doing multiplication in this?
Because we have to do many.
Because 1 ka given hai and we need to find out for the many. Very good. And yesterday also I told you from 1 to many when we go, we multiply. Can I erase this one? This part? Okay. I am expecting that everyone is writing, but I can see Moin Kuledi is not doing anything in the class. Moin Kuledi, you are not writing at all anything. You are not doing anything in the class.
I write it. I have done.
You show me a notebook. Nothing is visible to me. It's completely blurred. It's okay if you are writing. I trust on you. So please pay attention now.
Ma'am, what? How will we do the? How we have to write 1 multiply by 0 and that way.
You know the multiplication?
Yes, ma'am, but I have only done with 2 numbers.
Okay, I will tell you how to do the multiplication.
Done, ma'am.
Statement is done, Vedi. You know how to write the statement, Vedi?
Yes, ma'am.
आपने statement लिख दिया इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर का? What is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
first statement?
The cost of one brick is equals to 120. The cost of 1000 brick is equals to 1000 multiplied by 120.
Very good. So when you see this 120 multiplied by 1000, any number when multiplying with the zeros, so what you do, you write this number and add the zeros at the back. This is the answer. बाकी और मल्टीप्लिकेशन, टफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन मैं आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन की क्लास में समझाऊंगी. टिल नाउ इफ द नंबर इज हैविंग जीरो, तो आप ये नंबर लिखोगे. when you are multiplying with 1000, take the 3 zeros of 1000 and add them. Got it, Vedi? Any number multiplying with the number which is having zeros, उसकी zeros लेके आपको उस number में लगा देनी होती है. That is the number. Got it, Vedi? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Good. Till now you should know this, and with the next 2-3 digit multiplication we will learn in our next multiplication classes. Now, the next situation comes. Third question is like this. The cost of 12 bricks, the cost of 12 bricks is rupees 240. For example, find the, yes,
My network connection went off. So, in this second question, what was the answer?
1,20,000 rupees.
Okay,
And you need to write the statement by your own.
okay.
The cost of 12 bricks is rupees 240. Find the cost of 20 bricks. So now, first of all, you have the cost of 12 bricks का आपको given है. तो पहले आप 1 का निकालेंगे. Cost of 1 brick निकालेंगे and then आप many निकालने के लिए 20 निकालने के लिए your division and multiplication both will come. दोनों systems आएंगे इसके अंदर. Both the operation we will do in this.
Ma'am, your voice cracking.
Within 1-2 seconds it will come. So here the answer is, solution of the third is the cost of 12 bricks equals to rupees 240. You write in one line only. I don't have a single straight line, and that's why I'm writing down. You write in a single straight line. Cost of 12 bricks equals to rupees 240. So cost of 1 brick equals to 240 divided by 12. So अब आपके पास 1 की cost आ गई. When you divide it by 12, what will be the answer? 240 divided by 12. What is the answer? Who will tell me 240 divided by 12?
Ma'am, 20.
20.
20 rupees. 20 is the cost of 1 brick.
Ma'am, we have to
So
write
now-
the solution 3.
Yes. Now you have the cost
Multiplication.
of 1 brick. Okay. Mute yourself for a minute. Now you have a cost of 1 brick after dividing. Now you need to find out the cost of 20 bricks. So now you do the multiplication. So have you noticed इस एक सम में हमने दोनों ऑपरेशन किए? Understood this thing? So cost of 20 bricks equals to rupees 20 multiplied by 20. So the cost of 20 bricks is equals to rupees 400. 20 multiplied by 20. So if you don't know how to multiply 20 multiplied by 20, you take the number 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 0 of this number and 0 of this number will be added in the answer. Till last, my board is visible to you all? Till the end?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have done both the operations in this sum. First, we have to find out the value of 1 brick. Then, for finding the value of many, we have multiplied. Write down fast, and on the basis of this, I will send you a worksheet today on unitary method. You have to solve it in the notebooks, and please send your classwork as well as your homework today to me. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down fast. Pritika, any difficulty? Your work is completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Till here?
Yes.
Good.
Ma'am, why have you written the
Cost of one brick.
Because here we have find out the cost of one brick. 240 divided by 12, which is rupees 20. Now if you have a cost of one item, one brick का cost आ गया, many का निकालने के लिए you will multiply again. 20 multiplied by 20 is rupees 400. And please do fast. Children, tomorrow is Wednesday, 14th April. It's Ambedkar Jayanti. We have a holiday tomorrow. So we don't have class tomorrow. And after that, on Tuesday, we will do the revision of the complete chapter. And I will take the CET of this chapter on Friday. Got it? Friday is your CET. Tomorrow is your holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday for Ambedkar Jayanti. And on Thursday, we will do the revision. Yes. Yes, Iya. Children, my voice is cracking. Here, are you facing a lot of issue? Yeah, your voice is cracking, my dear.
No.
Please, somebody tell to hear that her voice is cracking.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. It is clearly.
Ma'am, you can write in chat box. Ma'am,
Here,
write in chat box.
what I will write in the chat box?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. So you are saying you can write in chat box.
No, your teacher will put in the classroom about the holiday. We will put in the classroom also. Is this done, everyone? Please, if you have completed, please log out.
Yes,
Time
ma'am.
up. Time up.
Ma'am, have a good day.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. We have to
Wait.
send class.